My hair looks fab, doesn't she? Yours can too. Step on in. Hi ladies, welcome back. If you love everything hair, vacations, and clothes, this is a page for you. Welcome, girls. So today I am going to be doing a traditional sew-in middle part. My leave out is only in the front. I don't have any in the back. So I have this here, I have my middle part, and then I have this side. So I'm gonna braid this down. I don't know why I kept saying middle part. This is definitely a side part sew-in. Oopsies. Also, right here is where my camera literally stopped recording. Pardon the outside traffic. So I'm just going to part for my braid. A sacred oil. If B1 sponsored a girl. I take the top section, split it into 3 parts, and I just cornrow down. I'm only gonna have this in for, I wanna say about a week. Yeah. But if you're gonna have this in longer, I would recommend maybe doing this with some added hair. I don't know, anything to ease the tension on your scalp is what I say. Now I'm just going to part and start working on the next braid. So I'm going to do another braid and show you how I connect the first braid to the second braid. I'll grab this, scoop it on up, and then keep braiding down. So I am going to finish braiding the rest of my hair just like this. I just finished braiding my hair, and so now I'm going to go in with my bundles. Okay, I got my needle and my thread. We're about to get to work. I'm turning around to give a better visual. So I use one hand to hold the weft across, and then I use another hand to actually needle through my hair and the weft itself. But I've made such good progress, so I'm happy. So here I am just showing you the back view again on how I sew the hair. So I usually hold the weft with one hand and I take the needle and I go under the braid, then under the weft, and yeah. Now that we are nearing the front, let's continue. When it gets to like this, cut it, and I just tie it. Boys, we are the boys in motion. We give you our devotion. I can feel the rhythm of your heart. This is a great arm workout. Okay, but it's coming out cute thus far. I ended up going straight to sleep. I was tired and decided to do my hair the next morning. I'm on the last one, and then finally we could get to flat ironing and whatnot. Every time I get towards the end, I'm like, oh, I'm so proud of my work. Like, wow, girl, you did that. Okay. Let me take out these edges. Leave out. I'm going to take my Revlon drying brush and just fluff this out. When I'm blow drying my extensions, I do use the highest heat setting. It got so hot, I couldn't do it. I had to take that sweater off. Okay, so let me just tell you, this brush is a 10/10. It literally gets the job done. Oh my gosh. Why did I finish blow drying and didn't catch the ending? Anyway, when I finish blow drying, this is like what I do to the top of my head. As you can see, I'm just dragging the blow dryer down each section of my hair. So I am going to go in with a flat iron. That's it. So I'm just gonna pass the flat iron throughout my leave out, and I'm gonna make sure that I also grab my leave out and the extensions for an even better blend. And yeah, that'll be it, y'all. That's it. That's it. A good old traditional middle part sew in, minimal leave out, bada boom, bada bam. Bada boom, bada bam. Let me turn around. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love and appreciate your support. Oh, and the flat iron I used was the, child, I don't know, but it says Lux Series on the bottom. again, thank you so much for supporting your girl. I appreciate it. And do y'all like my hair? Get into it. Get into it. Later, ladies.